Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS display. And right now we'll be discussing about inline elements. An inline element does not start on a new line and only takes up as much width as necessary. This is an inline span element inside a paragraph. So this span element is an inline element. Example of inline element is what we are seeing right here. This anchor tag is also an inline element. This image is also an inline element. So I'm going to show you how all this inline element works. But previously we discussed about the block element, but right now we want to talk about the inline element again. Inline element. So inline element is a span. Our span element is an inline element. How can you understand this? Let me give it span. Turn this to span. So when I save this, I reload my document now. Now we are talking about inline element right here. So inline element, how can you identify inline element and how can you recognize inline element? The best way to understand and recognize inline element is that when you write anything at the right side or by the left side of it, let's write testing. If it allow that thing to stay beside it, definitely if it look like this exactly when we save our document, definitely it's an inline element. So I'm going to show you now. Let's reload our document and see if the testing display beside our display right here. Can you see this testing displays easily? So and it can also display if we paste it at the right side here also. Can you see when I save my document? You're going to see. Can you see the testing is displaying? So you should know that this one is an inline. It allow any other element to stay beside it and it's not occupy all the pages. So that's what you should note there. So if you the other way you can understand this better is when you write anything. Let's say you carry this type of span element. Let me delete this one. You paste it immediately after this first one. You are going to see that instead of it to jump to another line, it will never. They will just stay beside each other. Let's reload. Can you see? Now this first one is here and end here. The second one ends here. So they stays beside each other. So when we add more until our screen full before they can jump to another line. Can you see? Because this is an inline element. But if it's a block element previously that we talked about, it will never be like this. So you should watch our previous tutorial where we discussed about block element. So that's how inline element allow us to add. It will full the lines before it can jump to another line. Can you see? It's coming 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So you guys will be aware that another inline element is this link element also. Let me use this link anchor tag. This anchor tag also is also inline element. When I save this now, let's reload our document. Can you see it appears here because it's also an inline element. So please practice because practice makes perfect. And what akorede ayofe is my name again. You can write anything inside here or write it outside here. If you write anything inside here also, it's still going to show. And if you write anything outside here, it's still going to continue and it's still going to show. Let's reload. Can you see? Everything continue and it's continue reach here. So that's how it works. Can you see the link now? If I remove the link, it doesn't matter. Can you see? So everything in that manner is an inline element. So that's what I have to show you guys. And what akorede ayofe is my name again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye. Before I go, there is nothing, but later I will show you